birds were not roosted where we thought they were. They're on the other side of the farmer's cross fence and really can't get to them, so we're sitting back, and I believe they're coming this way. We've lost sight of them for about 5 minutes now. I'm gonna sit tight and see if they'll work their way up here. Well, just an update. We were surrounded by jakes this morning. We heard this tom that's in this field right now. We heard him gobble around where the jakes were, and he just kept getting further and further and further away all morning, so we thought that the jakes had pushed him off, but he's actually got several hens with him and a couple jakes, or I guess 3 jakes. He's gobbling a lot, and it looks like they're kind of breaking up right now. The hens went up underneath the fence, and the tom's kind of working his way up the fence, and he's gobbling to about every call I make. But we're gonna let him slip up in the woods and let everything kind of calm down for a second, and then we're gonna hump it to the woods and hopefully get on him. I really, really, really think that we can kill this bird. But biggest problem right now is we got a 250-yard open field, open power line between us. So actually the bird's kind of working this way, so I don't know. He may head this way. I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. Yeah, he was in range. I didn't do a closing interview because we had a pretty good walk back, and we tried to slip out of there without being detected. And my wife has a baby shower to get to, so just kind of a lot of things going on at once. But anyway, I couldn't really get around where my wife was and be able to film well, so I went about 10-15 yards to her right and got down in a little ditch. Well, I couldn't communicate with her at that point, and I should have known better. But anyway, he worked in by himself, and he hung up about, I would say, right around 40, and she couldn't see him. And he finally broke after standing there for about 10 minutes. He finally broke and come probably within 25 of her, maybe 30. And he had got 15 from me. And of course, I didn't have a gun. So that's another lesson learned. But really want to get her on a bird. She's not going to get to hunt much. This may be her only hunt, matter of fact. But anyway, it didn't work out. The bird got 15 from me, and then 11 jakes flew over the creek and chased him into the next county. So I may be able to hunt tomorrow if my wife can get off of work, but if not, it's going to be several days before I can go, and at that it'll be afternoons. So I don't know. I'm going to get this video edited and out there, and we will see what the future holds.